Meet the 2025 Subaru BRZ, where sport meets sophistication. The BRZ's exterior has been reimagined with an aggressive front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic silhouette. Subaru has refined every line to ensure this sports car looks as fast as it drives. Its low and wide stance, paired with sculpted side panels, not only enhances aerodynamics, but also makes a statement wherever it goes. At the rear, new C-shaped taillights, a rear spoiler to keep the rear end planted to the ground, and a bold dual exhaust system complete its athletic look, leaving anyone you beat in a race wanting a piece of what you drive. Inside, the 2025 BRZ is all about the driver. Sport seats offer perfect support, while the flat-bottom steering wheel gives you control at your fingertips. Soft touch materials have also been added throughout the cabin for a more premium touch. It has also remained a four-seater vehicle, but rear seats are not advised for longer journeys. The digital gauge cluster provides critical information in your line of sight, so you can stay focused on the road ahead. And with the latest infotainment system, integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you're always connected. Under the hood lies a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering a substantial 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine is perfectly matched to either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you the thrill of the drive. Being a performance coupe, Subaru has decided to keep it rear-wheel drive, but a special edition all-wheel drive trim may be coming in the future, making the BRZ a monster in the snow, dirt, gravel, and sand. The 2025 BRZ's low center of gravity and improved chassis rigidity make every corner an opportunity to experience precision handling and pure driving excitement. From its striking design to its driver-focused interior and powerful engine, the 2025 Subaru BRZ is designed for those who crave the thrill of the drive. Ready to experience it for yourself?